When I started my master's degree at Brunel University, I led a research project investigating the waste streams in the UK. And what I found is that the construction industry were generating incredible amounts of waste. That sort of led us on a really exciting journey that led us to where we are now, of developing new materials for the construction industry. When we were looking at the materials that need to be addressed, we wanted to look for examples in nature of structures that are naturally grown and that are naturally created to achieve the highest level of porosity.
So it all starts with something like this. This is called agar, and it's a very nutritious jelly, essentially. We pop a little piece of a mushroom. You literally need a microscopic bit, and then they'll happily grow on this sort of medium.